Hey guys, today I have a matching Crosley washer and electric dryer set. Right now we've got it set deep water wash. We're going to go one rinse, doing cool, so you can hear it running the cold, running the hot, then running them together. We're going to do soil level. This tells the machine how long to run that wash cycle for. It has nothing to do with how much water it's going to use. So we're going to do a quick wash essentially, and it's filling up right now. Pretty heavy towel load, a few hand towels, bath towels, all my shop towels. Got a place for your bleach right here, some instructions if you want to pause and read how to work this type of machine. Kind of the best of both worlds. You get the super fast spin, you still get full water submersion, and you have the center agitator. It's one of my favorite style machines right here, kind of blends the old with new technology. And so this is the lid locking mechanism. And I just bought an extra one of those and stick it right here. So the machine thinks the lid's closed, so I can show you what's going on. Kind of as if you're standing here checking it out yourself. You get to see everything works perfect. That way you know when you get it home, plug it in, you're going to be good to go. So I'm going to let that fill up with water. We'll come back, show you that the drain works, that it has a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. Then when it's all done, we'll move the clothes over to the dryer and show you that the dryer is working perfect. Okay, just stop filling with water and switch over to the wash cycle. Now it might stop and add a little bit more water as it goes, but it's getting started agitating, and it'll use different bursts of agitation, but essentially what it's going to do is it's going to push those clothes up out the middle, over and down along the sides, and it just keeps doing this blooming vortexing motion. And it can do a long pulse or short bursts like it's doing now. Has many different ways that it goes through and cycles those clothes all around. But nice, strong, quiet agitation. All right, coming out of the wash cycle now. Draining that water out nice and fast. Once it's done draining the water out, it's going to spin to extract the used up water. And then it will fill back up with fresh water, agitate for a bit, drain out, and we'll be on the final spin, which is what I'll come back for next. All right, we're coming into that final spin. Got the dryer over here ready to go. Now it'll probably do 2 spins because this is a pretty heavy towel load. But on some loads it can go all the way up to even 3 spin cycles because it has to reach a certain RPM, go a certain speed before the washer knows that it's spun all the water out, extracted everything like it's supposed to, and the clothes are ready to be moved over to the dryer. Now the benefit to how fast it spins and making sure that it spins out to a certain speed is they're going to come out super light. It's going to cut your drying time in half. It's a part of the HE designation, the high efficiency. So we'll let this one finish up, but as you can see, nice smooth operation. Once again, lid lock would be in place. When you get it home and have it running, this is going to be locked down. You won't be able to open this up, but with my extra striker there, we can see what's going on. See it spinning nice and fast. So I'll let that finish up and we'll move over to the dryer. Okay, now we've got the washer cleared out. Nice super capacity on this one here. We come over here to the matching electric dryer, and these are both in excellent shape. Dare say like new condition. They're probably in the 5 to 10 year range because they are a later model. However, hardly any usage on them. As you can see, the inside here, everything's nice and clean. I'll show you on the dryer. There's no jean marks or pen marks or anything like that. Very clean, both of them inside and out. We've got this set to time dry. You can go all the way up to 70 minutes. If you put it over here, you're going to be on the 90-minute mark. Kind of just imagine a couple more of these notches being here. You get a full 90 minutes out of this. You've got a temperature control, and you've got a little cycle switch, so if you don't want it to buzz at you, you can turn that off. It's kind of nice. You've got a no heat setting here, auto dry with wrinkle prevent. So this is going to give you 10 minutes on, 10 minutes off, all the way up to I believe it's 90 minutes on this one, and that gives you a little extra time to get back to the load before the wrinkles set in. So it's kind of a nice feature. You've got your lint trap. You want to make sure that gets cleaned and cleared out before each and every load. That way you have perfect airflow, allowing your clothes to get dry as fast as possible. It's kind of the name of the game for saving money and getting things dry quickly. So 73, 74 degrees on top of the dryer. Concrete floor, it's a little colder, it's about 63. So we'll go ahead and open this up. See everything's tumbling, nice bright light right inside the heating element tube. Nice and hot coming out of that tube. Heating element's kind of right back behind here. So the heat pumps in here, circulates with the clothes, and exits right there, which is where the lint trap is to catch any lint, and then the air goes out the back of your dryer. So we'll throw this back in here. You just push to start. And then when you have this in your laundry room, you'll have the little vent hose hooked up to the back of your dryer, which will muffle that blower motor, and you just kind of hear the clothes tumbling around. So overall, this is a very quiet set. It's in excellent, almost like new condition. It's a steal for this this style that gets you full submersion on the water control, and it's going to move through a super capacity load. So guys, I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Now you know everything on them works perfect. When you get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.